Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exquisite world of sari fashion, and who better to explore with than the ever-stylish Anantika Sanilkumar. Known for her impeccable taste, Anantika has been setting sari trends like no other. Let's take a closer look at some of her remarkable choices. Anantika's love for traditional saris is evident in her wardrobe. From vibrant silk to intricate Banarasi weaves, she effortlessly carries the grace of traditional Indian textiles. Whether it's a family function or a festive celebration, her choice of traditional saris always steals the show. She's a trendsetter when it comes to blending the old with the new. Catch her in contemporary fusion saris that seamlessly merge traditional craftsmanship with modern designs. Bold colors, unconventional fabrics, and unique draping styles, she nails them all. While embracing the grandeur of traditional and fusion saris, she also knows how to make a statement with minimalist chic. Watch her effortlessly pull off simple cotton or linen saris with understated elegance. The art of draping is crucial, and Anantika masters it flawlessly. She experiments with various draping techniques, from the classic navy style to the trendy butterfly drape. Each style complements her outfit, adding a unique flair to her overall look. Let's talk about her mastery in accessorizing her saris. Whether it's traditional jewelry to complement her silk saris or contemporary pieces to enhance her fusion looks, the beauty knows how to strike the perfect balance. Pay attention to her choice of statement earrings, bangles, and intricately designed bindis. Each accessory plays a role in elevating her overall ensemble. One cannot ignore her knack for choosing the perfect color palette. From vibrant and bold hues that grab attention to subtle pastels that exude sophistication, she navigates the color spectrum with finesse. Her wardrobe is a testament to the fact that a well-chosen color can transform the entire vibe of a sari look. Anantika adapts her sari choices to the occasion with finesse. Catch her in regal silk saris for traditional weddings, breezy cotton saris for casual outings, and glamorous georgette or chiffon saris for evening events. Her ability to curate saris according to the occasion showcases her fashion versatility. The beauty is not just a sari enthusiast, she's also a social media influencer inspiring millions with her impeccable style. Her influence extends beyond personal style as she collaborates with renowned sari brands and designers. Keep an eye out for her exclusive collections and custom-designed saris, where she brings her unique touch to traditional craftsmanship. Her collaborations often become sought-after pieces among sari enthusiasts. In an era where sustainable fashion is gaining prominence, Anantika showcases her commitment to eco-friendly choices. She often opts for hand-woven saris, supporting local artisans and promoting sustainable practices in the fashion industry. Her advocacy for sustainable sari choices sets a commendable example for her followers. Not only does Anantika flaunt her sari looks with flair, but she also shares her styling secrets with her audience. Tune in for her sari draping tutorials, where she guides viewers through various draping techniques, helping them recreate her signature looks. It's a blend of fashion inspiration and practical advice for sari enthusiasts. The actress actively engages with her audience, encouraging them to participate in sari challenges and share their unique styling ideas. Her fan interactions go beyond fashion appreciation, creating a sense of community among sari lovers who draw inspiration from each other's creativity. Anantika goes a step further by embracing sari styling challenges on her social media platforms. From 6-yard draping challenges to incorporating unconventional elements into her sari looks, she encourages her followers to think outside the box. This not only adds an element of fun to her content but also showcases her versatility in adapting to different styles. Her sari fashion isn't confined to regional influences. She seamlessly integrates global elements into her looks, whether it's pairing a traditional sari with a modern blouse or experimenting with international draping styles. Her ability to fuse cultures in her sari choices makes her a true global fashion icon, where she effortlessly transitions from summer pastels to winter jewel tones. Her ability to curate sari looks according to the seasons showcases not only her fashion acumen but also provides practical inspiration for sari enthusiasts navigating different climates. The beauty extends her love for saris to her beauty routine. Look out for her sari-inspired makeup and hairstyling tutorials, where she demonstrates how to complement sari with the perfect beauty look. It's a holistic approach to fashion that goes beyond just clothing. Anantika Sanilkumar is not just a sari enthusiast but a prominent figure in the fashion industry. Catch her making waves at sari fashion events and gracing runways with her elegant presence. Her ability to effortlessly carry diverse sari styles elevates her to the status of a fashion icon, inspiring both designers and enthusiasts alike. Her love for saris extends beyond contemporary trends. Explore her vintage sari collection, where she showcases timeless pieces passed down through generations. Her ability to revive classic saris and incorporate them into modern fashion is a testament to her appreciation for heritage and craftsmanship. Anantika on her sari travel diaries, where she explores diverse cultures while draped in the traditional attire of each region. Witness her adaptability as she embraces the sari in different parts of the world, seamlessly blending cultural influences into her unique fashion narrative. Get an exclusive look behind the scenes as Anantika prepares for her sari shoots. From selecting the perfect sari to finalizing accessories and makeup, these behind-the-scenes glimpses provide a fascinating insight into the meticulous planning that goes into creating her iconic sari looks. Anantika Sanilkumar isn't just a fashion icon, she also uses her influence for good. Her involvement in philanthropic initiatives that aim to uplift traditional weavers and artisans. By supporting various causes, she ensures that the rich heritage behind each sari is preserved and celebrated. The beauty constantly nurtures and supports emerging talents in the fashion industry. Keep an eye out for her sari fashion collaborations with budding designers, where she showcases their innovative designs and contributes to the growth of fresh voices in the sari fashion landscape. Engaging directly with her followers, Anantika initiates sari styling challenges, encouraging her audience to share their interpretations of specific themes. This interactive approach not only creates a sense of community but also highlights the diverse ways in which saris can be styled and celebrated. She curates stunning collections based on specific themes or moods. These visually appealing lookbooks offer a visual feast of sari ensembles, inspiring her audience to experiment with their wardrobe and redefine their personal sari style. Anantika's sari fashion workshops and masterclasses, where she shares her expertise in draping techniques, color coordination, and accessorizing. These insightful sessions empower her followers to embrace saris with confidence and creativity, turning them into their own style maestros. The beauty leads the charge in promoting sustainability within the sari fashion realm. Look out for her sustainable sari challenges, where she encourages her audience to explore eco-friendly fabrics, upcycled saris, and mindful consumption. This initiative reflects her commitment to a greener and more conscious fashion industry. Beyond fashion, her influence extends to art and creativity. Witness her collaborations with artists who translate her sari looks into stunning paintings, illustrations, or even dance performances. This intersection of fashion and art showcases the profound impact she has on diverse forms of creative expression. Anantika leverages technology to connect with her global audience through virtual sari styling experiences. Anantika's sari fashion journey through her engaging podcasts, where she discusses the cultural significance, historical evolution, and contemporary trends in sari fashion. These insightful conversations not only provide a deeper understanding of saris but also spark meaningful discussions within the fashion community. The beauty bridges generational gaps by taking on sari fashion challenges with her family members. Witness the interplay of traditional and modern sari styling as multiple generations come together to celebrate the versatility of this timeless attire. It's a heartwarming showcase of how sari fashion transcends age boundaries. Anantika's personal sari fashion diaries, where she shares anecdotes, memories, and the stories behind some of her most cherished saris. This intimate look into her wardrobe provides a narrative that goes beyond fashion, highlighting the sentimental value attached to each piece. Stay ahead of the curve with her sari fashion trends forecast. From upcoming color palettes to emerging draping styles, she shares insights into what's next in the world of sari fashion. It's a sneak peek into the future of this traditional yet ever-evolving attire. Anantika takes sari fashion to new heights by gracing fusion runways that blend traditional attire with global influences. Her stride confidently in sari gowns, sari-inspired jumpsuits, and other avant-garde ensembles that redefine the boundaries of sari fashion. Her presence on these runways showcases her as a trailblazer in the ever-evolving world of fashion. Her literary contributions to the fashion world with her sari fashion book releases. These publications delve into the history, cultural significance, and evolution of sari fashion. Anantika's writing not only educates but also inspires readers to appreciate the richness and diversity of this timeless attire. The beauty actively collaborates with skilled artisans, showcasing their craftsmanship in her sari collections. By working closely with weavers, embroiderers, and other artisans, she not only supports traditional craftsmanship but also brings attention to the skill and dedication behind each intricately designed sari. Extend the sari experience beyond clothing with her foray into sari-inspired lifestyle products. From home decor to accessories, her curated collection brings the essence of sari fashion into various aspects of daily life. This innovative approach reflects her commitment to integrating fashion into diverse facets of lifestyle. Anantika's meticulously curated sari fashion archives, where she preserves and documents the evolution of her personal style over the years. This digital collection not only serves as a visual testament to her fashion journey but also provides a comprehensive resource for sari enthusiasts seeking inspiration. Engage with Anantika in enlightening sari fashion webinars, where she shares in-depth knowledge on sari history, fabric intricacies, and styling tips. These interactive sessions allow participants to delve into the nuances of sari fashion, fostering a deeper appreciation for the artistry embedded in this traditional attire. Anantika's impactful journey in the sari fashion industry through her exclusive Impact series. In this documentary-style series, she takes viewer behind the scenes, highlighting the challenges she's overcome and the positive changes she aims to bring to the world of fashion, particularly in the context of saris. Celebrate her contributions to the sari fashion landscape by exploring her accolades and recognitions. From prestigious fashion awards to acknowledgements for her philanthropic efforts, her achievements underscore her significant role in shaping the narrative of sari fashion on a global scale. Her makeup game is synonymous with classic elegance. Whether draped in a traditional silk sari or a chic fusion ensemble, she often opts for timeless makeup choices. Think subtle eyeshadows, well-defined eyeliner, and a touch of mascara to accentuate her eyes, paired with a neutral lip color that enhances her overall sophistication. Watch Anantika effortlessly play with vibrant colors, coordinating her makeup with the hues of her saris. From bold eyeliners to statement lip shades, she flawlessly integrates vibrant tones, creating a harmonious balance that adds an extra layer of excitement to her overall look. Her makeup choices aren't always about bold statements. In her minimalist avatars, she embraces neutral tones, focusing on enhancing her natural beauty. Soft eyeshadows, a hint of blush, and a nude lip color come together to create a look that is effortlessly glamorous, yet understated. Her makeup repertoire includes a diverse range of eyeliner styles that perfectly complement her sari drapes. Whether it's a classic winged look for traditional saris or a graphic eyeliner designed for contemporary fusion wear, her eyeliner choices become an integral part of expressing her style. Anantika doesn't shy away from making a statement with her eye makeup. Explore her diverse eyeshadow palettes, where she seamlessly blends colors to create eye-catching looks. From sultry smoky eyes to vibrant eyeshadow gradients, her eye makeup choices reflect her fearless approach to beauty. The beauty in her bold lip moments that add a dash of drama to her sari looks. Whether it's a deep red for a traditional silk sari or an unconventional plum for a contemporary ensemble, her lip choices become a powerful accessory, elevating the overall allure of her makeup. For daytime events, she often opts for a dewy and radiant makeup look. Glowing skin, subtle highlighting, and a touch of blush give her a fresh and youthful appearance that beautifully complements the daytime elegance of her sari choices. It's a makeup style that exudes grace and sophistication. Incorporating the dupatta of her sari as an accessory, Anantika experiments with creative draping styles, allowing her makeup choices to take center stage. Bold eyeliners, shimmering eyeshadows, and unique lip colors enhance the overall visual impact, transforming her sari ensemble into a work of art. Anantika's go-to hairstyle, the classic bun, exudes timeless elegance. Whether it's a high bun for traditional saris or a sleek low bun for contemporary fusion wear, her choice of this sophisticated hairstyle complements the grace of saris, allowing the intricacies of the drapery to shine. Embark on a journey through her braided brilliance. From intricate fishtail braids to classic three-strand braids adorned with accessories, her diverse braided styles add a touch of sophistication and charm to her sari ensembles, seamlessly blending tradition with modern flair. Watch Anantika embrace effortless loose waves that beautifully frame her face, creating a soft and romantic vibe. This hairstyle choice complements her minimalist sari looks, providing a perfect balance between casual elegance and chic charm. The beauty effortlessly combines sophistication with a contemporary twist by opting for the half-up, half-down hairstyle. This chic choice allows her to showcase the intricate details of her sari blouse while maintaining a modern and playful look. Anantika adds a touch of ethereal charm to her sari looks by incorporating floral adornments into her updos. Whether it's a delicate braid adorned with fresh flowers or a carefully arranged floral bun, these hairstyles infuse a sense of natural beauty and grace into her overall appearance. Her creative use of sari-inspired hair accessories. From traditional maan tikka to intricately designed hairpins, she elevates her hairstyles with accessories that complement the aesthetic of her saris. Each accessory becomes a statement piece, adding a regal touch to her overall look. The actress effortlessly channels retro glamour with the timeless Victory Rolls hairstyle. This vintage-inspired look, paired with her saris, creates a perfect fusion of old-world charm and contemporary elegance. It's a hairstyle choice that showcases her versatility and love for experimenting with different eras. For a more casual and contemporary vibe, Anantika embraces beachy waves that effortlessly capture the carefree spirit. This hairstyle choice complements her choice of breezy and modern saris, adding a touch of relaxed sophistication to her overall appearance. The actress elevates her sari looks with the artful inclusion of statement necklaces. From intricate kundan pieces to contemporary geometric designs, her choice of necklaces not only enhances the neckline of her sari blouses but also adds a touch of grandeur to her overall appearance. Anantika's dazzling earring collection that spans the spectrum from traditional jhumkas to modern, minimalist studs. Her earrings often become focal points, framing her face with elegance and highlighting her meticulous attention to detail in selecting accessories that complement the intricacies of her saris. The beauty effortlessly embraces regality by adorning her sari looks with exquisite maan tikkas and headpieces. These traditional accessories not only enhance her hairstyle but also add a royal touch to her overall ensemble, creating a seamless blend of modern and traditional elements. The actress introduces the allure of waist belts and kama bands to her sari fashion. Whether it's a traditional gold waist belt or a contemporary statement piece, these accessories cinch her saris at the waist, creating a flattering silhouette and adding a hint of glamour to her overall look. The beauty embraces the artistry of handcrafted clutches and portly bags to complement her sari looks. From intricately embroidered clutches to vibrant portly bags, these accessories add a pop of color and texture while serving as functional and stylish accompaniments to her sari ensembles. Anantika in her love for armlets and bangles, which she uses to adorn her wrists gracefully. Whether it's stacking traditional bangles for a festive look or opting for sleek armlets to add a touch of modernity, her choice of wrist accessories enhances the overall aesthetic of her sari outfits. The actress introduces the charm of nose rings and knots to her sari accessory collection. These traditional pieces add a distinctive touch to her look, with delicate designs for a subtle impact or bold and ornate knots for a more pronounced statement, complementing the traditional appeal of her saris. She pays attention to every detail, extending her accessorizing to anklets and toe rings. These subtle yet significant additions create a harmonious flow, enhancing the grace of her sari looks from head to toe. Ankle bracelets and toe rings become the finishing touches that complete her ensemble. Anantika embraces trend-setting waist chains that redefine the art of accessorizing saris. Whether opting for delicate chains that subtly drape along her waistline or bold, statement pieces that draw attention, these waist chains add a touch of glamour and modernity to her sari looks. Her collection of unique finger rings and heart fools, intricate hand jewelry that adds a touch of allure to her sari-adorned hands. From bold statement rings to delicate heart fools that extend across her fingers, each piece is carefully chosen to complement her overall accessory ensemble. The actress incorporates the playful elegance of tassels and latkans into her sari fashion. Whether it's tassel details on her blouse, latkans on the pallu, or playful tassel earrings, these accessories introduce dynamic movement and a touch of bohemian flair to her sari looks. Anantika seamlessly integrates timepiece elegance into her sari ensembles. Whether it's a sleek watch with a minimalist design or a vintage-inspired timepiece, her choice of watches adds a touch of sophistication to her overall look while serving as a functional and chic accessory. Anantika Sanilkumar's sari fashion choices encapsulate a captivating narrative that transcends mere style. They represent a seamless blend of tradition, innovation, and personal expression. Her wardrobe is a vibrant tapestry, weaving together diverse fabrics, colors, and draping styles, reflecting her deep appreciation for the cultural richness embedded in each sari. Her mastery extends beyond the fabric itself. She effortlessly navigates the intricate world of accessories, from regal necklaces and dazzling earrings to intricate waist belts and anklets, enhancing every nuance of her sari ensembles. Her makeup and hairstyle choices act as harmonious companions, showcasing a versatility that effortlessly adapts to the occasion, be it a traditional celebration or a contemporary soiree. What sets Anantika apart is her commitment to sustainability and the promotion of local craftsmanship, as evident in her collaborations with artisans and advocacy for eco-friendly practices in the fashion industry. Beyond being a trendsetter, she emerges as a philanthropist, using her influence to uplift traditional weavers and preserve the heritage behind each meticulously crafted sari. Her social media presence not only serves as a fashion gallery but also as a platform for interaction and inspiration, encouraging her followers to partake in sari challenges, styling tutorials, and discussions. Her global influence expands through collaborations with emerging designers, virtual styling sessions, and even sari-inspired lifestyle products, creating a holistic experience that extends beyond mere clothing. This multifaceted approach to sari fashion has positioned Anantika Sanilkumar as more than just a fashion icon. She is a curator of stories, a promoter of cultural diversity, and a catalyst for positive change in the fashion landscape. As we traverse the vast landscape of her sari fashion choices, it becomes evident that her impact resonates far beyond aesthetics, leaving an indelible mark on the ever-evolving narrative of sari fashion. There you have it, a glimpse into Anantika Sanilkumar's sari fashion choices. Whether she's embracing tradition, experimenting with fusion, or keeping it minimal, Anantika's sari game is always on point. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.